Hello friends, how are you? I am reading editorial of The Hindu, and this editorial is published today, 23 November 2016. It is with caption "No complacency on Zika." Complacency means आत्मसंतुष्टि. ठीक है, let's read it. The World Health Organization has declared that Zika virus no longer constitutes a public health emergency on international concern. This brings to an end the heightened global focus on the virus that has caused, heightened means बढ़ी हुई ज़्यादा, global focus on the virus that caused about 2300 confirmed cases of microcephaly. Microcephaly is a disease, a birth defect manifesting in a smaller head size. Manifest means to manifest मतलब कि प्रकट करना, अब दिखाई देता है स्मॉलर हेड साइज. Since May 2015, the WHO had declared the Zika virus a public health emergency on February 1, considering the high number of neurological disorder reported in Brazil and a similar cluster in French Polynesia. Similar cluster means a group of similar thing is cluster, एक सी चीज़ों का झुंड. Cluster in French Polynesia 2014. Among the reasons cited were the known causal link between the virus and microcephaly and neurological complications, the possibility of its global spread, lack of vaccines and diagnostic tools, and the lack of immunity to the virus in newly affected countries. The link between Zika and microcephaly was established in May. The hunt for a potent vaccine, potent means having great strength or great power is potent. Vaccine and reliable विश्वास करने वाले diagnostic tool has begun, and scientists have been able to find the roots of transmission. However, the global risk assessment has not changed. Assessment means evaluation or estimation of the nature of anything. Mulyankan has not changed. The spread of Zika to 67 countries and territories is a grim reminder. Grim negative meaning मतलब दुख. Reminder of the lack of immunity against the virus and the abundance means प्रचुरता. हिंदी में प्रचुरता, इंग्लिश में मतलब sufficient amount of anything. Abundance of mosquito vectors. A dozen countries have reported local transmission. Despite the link between Zika virus infection and microcephaly being well established, the entire spectrum of challenges posed by the disease is not known. The WHO Emergency Committee has called for sustained research. Sustained means continuous research and dedicated resources to address the long-term challenges posed by babies born with microcephaly, but signaling the end of the global emergency may lead to lowering of the global alert. There should be no setback to funding. The global setback means झटका लगना, आप कोई चीज़ कर रहे हो उसमें नुकसान होता है. Global research for effective vaccine and diagnostic test and creating awareness about the risk of sexual transmission. For instance means for example, it is not clear why more babies were born with microcephaly in northeast Brazil compared to the rest of the country, or why the country had a higher case load than other. Case load means case load. This information is crucial. Crucial means important to understanding the link between Zika infection and microcephaly, and thereby to containing, thereby मतलब consequently होता है thereby का मतलब, to containing incidents where the mosquito vector is predominant. Medical journals should continue to provide free and immediate access to papers on the Zika virus, which played a crucial role in information sharing. The WHO has said it is not downgrading the importance of Zika. Downgrading means to decrease the status or to reduce to a lower grade, and that its response is here to stay. It now needs to ensure the vigilance remains high. Vigilance means होता है carefulness remains high despite the decline in incidence. मतलब औकात से ज़्यादा उसे वो मत दीजिए. attention. So that's for now, guys. I hope you're liking my videos. So hit like and share my videos. Bye bye. Take care.